Children, have a look at the 5 fingers of your hand closely. Now, can you perform any task with one finger alone? For example, brushing your teeth. With one finger, can you do that? Playing with the ball, lifting any object. क्या आप एक उंगली से कोई भी कार्य कर सकते हैं? Not possible, है ना? But when you bring all the 5 fingers together for work or play or writing, eating, painting and many other activities, they form a strong and powerful team. तो बच्चों, कहने का तात्पर्य यह है, अगर हम इस मुट्ठी की तरह एकजुट रहें तो हम मजबूत हो जाते हैं। एकता में बहुत बल होता है। Unity is strength. Let's read a well-known story based on the moral Unity is strength. Let's get started. Story time, Unity is strength. Now before we start reading the passage, let's find out the characters of the story. Here we can see an old man and here we can see 4 boys. That means they must be the sons of the old man. So the characters are an old man and his 4 sons. Let's read now. An old man lived with his 4 sons in a village. The old man was worried. His sons were always quarreling with each other. They would never agree on any point. The old man had tried telling them many times to avoid fighting, but his sons would not listen to him. They would fight for everything. I hope children you have comprehended the first paragraph. Now I'll ask you some questions. If you are able to answer, that means you have understood the passage. My first question is, how many sons did the old man have? Yes, the old man had 4 sons. Now why was the old man worried? वो परेशान क्यों था? Give me the answer. Yes, the old man was worried because the answer is given here. His sons were always quarreling with each other. I hope you understand the meaning of quarreling. Quarreling means fighting. हमेशा लड़ते झगड़ते रहते थे. So this is a new word. You have to learn the spelling also. Quarreling. Underline it. Worried. Underline the word. Underline the word avoid. Listen. Agree. Point. You have to learn the spellings of these words. Okay. Now let's go to the next passage. One day he called his 4 sons. He gave them a small bundle of sticks and asked them to break the bundle into 2. It's so easy, said the eldest son. He took the bundle and tried to break it. He was surprised that the sticks in the bundle remained unbroken. He used more force. He tried again and again, but the bundle of sticks did not break. He gave up. Then his brothers tried to break the bundle of sticks. They tried hard, but they too could not succeed. Now children, here the old man decided to teach a lesson to his 4 sons. So what did he give them? Yes, he gave them a small bundle of sticks. And what did he ask them to do? Yes, he asked them to break the bundle into 2. And what happened when his sons tried to break the bundle of sticks? Yes, the sticks in the bundle remained unbroken. That means the sticks in the bundle did not break. Though they tried very hard, they did not succeed. Got it? Now let's go to the next. Their father smiled and asked them to untie the bundle. Now the sticks were separated. He gave each brother a single stick and asked them to break it. Each of the sons took a stick in hand. In no time, the sticks were bent and broken. Now, since his 4 sons could not break the bundle of sticks, what did he ask them to do? Yes, he asked to untie the bundle so that the sticks are separated. And what each one was asked to do with the single stick, children? They were asked to break it. Were they able to break the single sticks? Yes, the sticks were bent and broken easily, isn't it? Now let's see what the father has to tell his children next. A single stick is easily broken. If 4 sticks come together, it is impossible to break them. If you are united, help each other, and live in friendship, you will be stronger than any enemy. But if you are divided among yourselves and keep fighting, you will be as weak as the single stick in the bundle. Remember, united we stand, divided we fall, said the old man, giving his sons a meaningful look. This time the brothers learnt a lesson. They stopped fighting with each other. They started to work together as a team, and that really helped them. So you understood, children? What is the moral of the story? Moral of the story is unity is strength. Now let's read the new words which are there in the story. Worried, quarreling, agree, bundle, sticks, surprised, unbroken, impossible, united, and friendship. That's all for today, children. Thank you, class. Bye.